Hello and welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to look at how to write lowercase e and then look at some words that begin with the letter. Some of the words will have the long vowel sound. So let's begin. To write lowercase e, go across, over and around. Across, over and around. Across, over and around. Now it's time to look at some words. E for envelope. E for eat. For earth. E for elephant. And finally, E for exercise. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.